This is no ordinary Polonaise. It's a transcendental vision of a Polonaise, almost like a complex, introspective and elusive thought. In fact, it's a majestic thought cast in sound. It unfolds like a journey through ever-changing emotions, unexpected silences and sudden revelations. To play it well, one must possess both a poetic soul and an unshakable sense of structure. Start like you're recalling a distant memory. That wandering motif, it shouldn't declare, it should wonder. No metronome rigidity. Let the tempo ebb and flow as if the music is trying to find its voice. Yet even in this opening dream that leads toward the main theme, the voice must follow the laws of natural music making. When the Polonaise rhythm enters, don't turn it into a march. It's a heartbeat, steady, proud, but never rigid. Support the rhythm with gravitas. Then let the right hand fly free like a thought above it. Let the singing line guide your continuous dream. Even as the chords enter beneath it, keep the voicing pure and unwavering. In the central section, Chopin offers you space, a moment that feels like a story within the story. Don't rush it, but never lose the expressive thread that binds the musical elements together. Let the colors unfold. The harmonic turns invite the imagination. Use voicing, rubato, and dynamics to shape emotions that shift with every element. Weave it all seamlessly so the narrative flows without break. As the entwined dream comes to rest, it makes way for a new inception, a dream within the dream. And here, prepare for one of the most sublime lines Chopin ever wrote. Approach this solitary, ultimate melody with reverence and quiet preparation. Let it emerge with profound sincerity, carrying its full emotional weight to the listener. In just a few phrases, Chopin captures the essence of being human, fragile yet strong, longing, loving, and quietly defiant. Make every note matter, until the opening motif returns to lead us into the final transcendent journey. The great climax near the end must feel earned. Don't rush the preparation or resort to volume for its own sake. Let the tension grow naturally from what came before, so that when it finally bursts, it feels like a dam giving way. Sudden, powerful, overwhelming. This piece is a riddle cloaked in nobility. Resist the urge to define it too rigidly. Let it breathe, shimmer, and speak, while shaping it as a unified whole. If you trust your intuition and handle its form with care, it becomes one of the most rewarding journeys in all of Chopin, perhaps the most profound of them all. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos about music, piano, interpretation, emotion, and everything that makes music great and human. Please subscribe, like, and press the bell button to stay up to date. See you soon and have an awesome day.